Hello, children. Today we are going to learn a poem on fairies. In this poem, there is a little boy who hopes to meet a fairy someday. So let's enjoy the poem. Children, I know everyone loves a fairy, right? Everyone loves to watch fairy tales. And yes, everyone thinks that at night when we sleep, we should see fairy in our dreams. Right, children? Yes, like you only, a small boy in this poem wants to meet a fairy. And his grandpa says something to him about the fairy. Let us see what he says. See here, Grandpa says that sometime when stars are twinkling and a new moon shines, there comes time when folk see fairyland. Here, in this para, the grandpa is explaining the boy when at night, when the sky is very clear and we see all the stars twinkling at night, and there is a new moon which shines completely, there comes a time, is that is the time exactly when we can see the fairyland. Yes, now here the folks means what, children? People. So what exactly the grandpa wants to say here is, when the fairies are able to see, when the sky is very clear and everywhere there are stars twinkling and there is a full moon which really shines bright in the sky, in that blue light we can see the fairy. This boy is very happy and very excited to meet fairies. He remembers what his grandfather has said him. What his grandfather has said? That yes, when there is a new moon, I can see the fairies. So he is now waiting for the next new moon. So when there will be a new moon in the sky, he says to himself that I am going to watch all night. As grandpa had said me that when the moon will be blue, that is the best time for the fairy to come. So here the boy says that I'm going to watch all night and wait when the fairy will come and I'll see her and I'll be very, very happy. So here the boy is very, very excited to meet fairy. So what he says to himself is that, and in a peach bloom, maybe if I look I shall see a little fairy baby, no bigger than a bee. What he says to himself, that when I am going to watch all night, maybe the little fairy will come, a small fairy, just a size of a bee. She might come from a flower. She might be there inside the flower. Peach bloom means what? A peach color flower. So this boy is saying that I might see a fairy in the flower, which is a size of a bee. So, this is what he is explaining over here. So, children, I hope you have understood the poem. Yes, so I hope today when you sleep, you are going to enjoy the dreams of fairy. Okay, children, have a nice day. Bye.